Hello students, welcome to Aryan Gurukul classes. Today we will continue simple present where it left. Okay. In the previous class we have covered permanent truth which is true forever, habitual action which is in the habit. दैनंदिन जीवन में जहां व्यवहार करो it is called habitual action. Conditional 0 and 1, in one case you can go for truth and other is it is open condition. And rule number 4 is adverbs. Always, generally, usually, normally, seldom, rarely, often, every day. These sort of adverbs are used in simple present. Well, I got lot of examples from you. I got papers. I have given task and you have solved the task and send it to me through WhatsApp. Thank you very much for your initiative. So we'll go for the next rule today, that is quotation. Quotations are written in simple present. The quotation of great men helps us in a great manner. Let us take some example. Shakespeare says, love is not times full, John Keats says, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. And it is true. सुंदर तृप्तिर अवसाद नहीं जेते देखुथिले नुआ दिसुथाई. Even the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, said, education, what I mean, all round drawing out of the best in the child, body, mind and spirit. That means education is education which aims at all round development of heart, development of hand and development of hand. Well, his quotation is meaningful. So quotations of great men guide us, motivate us, inspire us. So quotations are written in simple present. We can take proverb also. Proverbs. Barking dog seldom bites. Morning shows the day. All that glitter is not gold. It is saying it's true. लोको कथा जोटा आवाहन काल चली आसुची जदि आम चिंता करिबा, that is also true, right? It is written in simple present. Proverb. Slogan. Do or die. You give me blood. You give me blood. I will give you freedom. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. Do or die. Do what I say. Do what I say. Don't do what I do. So look, slogan, sayings, proverbs. It helps us in a great way. So we have to follow, and most important thing, we are discussing simple present. And simple present, we can use quotations, we can use proverbs, we can use slogan. So okay, it helps us, no doubt. Further, we'll go for one more rule, that is newspaper headline. Newspaper headline. Look, newspaper headline are written in simple present. The inside story may be different, may be past tense, may be present, okay, but the title, the caption should be written in simple present. Okay, you can go for the newspaper. Modi calls for Swachh Bharat. Virat hits a ton. India wins. India wins. So, accident claims 2 lives. Okay, look. In these 3, okay, headline, Modi calls for Swachh Bharat. It is in simple present. Virat hits a ton, India wins. But when the matter will be written, it will be in the past tense. Just in yesterday's match, okay, Virat scored. That is different issue. The story may be written in simple past or present, but title should be written in simple present. Accident claims 2 lives. So, newspaper headline is written in simple present. It is one more rule. Let's go to another rule. Running commentary. Running commentary, with the help of simple present knowledge, you can go for commentary. Okay, if you do not have idea about more also, you can deliver, you can go for commentary. For example, we'll take example from hockey. Okay, Sarita passes the ball to Savita, and Savita hits it right to the goal post, and it is goal. Look here, Sarita passes, simple present. Savita hits, and it is a goal. It is also in simple present. Okay, but लिखना तो सही है, लेकिन how to go for a running commentary? आपको थोड़ा दिखे, मैं धीरे से बोलूंगा, स्लो मोशन में, फिर we'll go for fast. Sarita passes the ball to Sabita. Sabita hits it right to the goal post, and it is goal. But commentary देने के बाद थोड़ा okay, emotion आना चाहिए. You should attract the audience, right? So now Sarita passes the ball to Sabita. Sabita hits it right to the goal post, and it is goal. Audience will join, right? So rising and falling of tone is important when you deliver. With the help of simple present, you can go for commentary. Okay. Suppose instead of hockey, you can go for cricket. We'll take 2 examples. Kunal and Ajit. Okay, Kunal balls. Kunal balls, simple present, and Ajit hits the 6. Next ball of Kunal. Kunal looks very furious, simple present. Kunal looks very furious. The second ball of Kunal, and it is a bouncer. It is a bouncer, simple present. And Ajit hooks it, and it is a 4. My dear students, what you have to do is that you have to take care of the terminology of cricket. If you have got idea about the terms, you can express it. Next ball of Kunal, Ajit flicks it. Next ball of Kunal, Ajit drives it. Last but 2 ball, Ajit glances it. Now last ball of Kunal. Kunal balls a slower delivery. Ajit doesn't understand the ball. He moves forward and hits the ball, but it takes the edge. Simple present. Tapan is after the ball and Tapan picks it. Okay, easily. And he jumps in joy. But umpire gives a no ball. In this way, okay, you can express the running commentary with help of simple present. Right? So we'll go for the next rule, that is planned action. Plan action. The action which is already been planned. The Prime Minister visits America next month. It's a plan made earlier. My uncle comes next Sunday. So it is already planned, but you can express the planned action with the help of simple present. Okay, is it visible? Okay, well, the next rule is exclamatory. With exclamatory sentences, we can use simple present. Here with here, there, look. Okay. Look, here comes Ajit. Or look, Ajit, how Ajit sings. How Ajit sings. So, with exclamation, we can express simple present. Okay, we'll move towards the next rule. That is, okay, rule number 10. Rule number 10. With imperative sentence, we can use simple present. How? Listen to me. Drop your books and notes. Get up. Sit down. Sit calmly. These are imperative sentences. In imperative sentence, advice, suggestion, invitation, friendly remarks, warning, advice, everything comes. Okay, go left, then right, giving direction. Open the page 88, instruction, simple present. Okay, mind the floor, it is slippery, warning, simple present. Let's go to Bharia Pathara on picnic, suggestion, simple present. Read well better, advice. Suppose, okay, in a particular room, okay, people are shouting, students are shouting, a teacher comes, means kya hoga? Teacher comes and says, okay, enjoy yourself. It is a friendly remark, right? So, imperative is used with simple present, right? Well, few more rules are there. Let me go for, okay, let's go for rule number 11. That is historical events. What? Historical events. Okay. The Prime Minister arrives at the spot. He unfolds the flag. People present, they clap and they sing national anthem. Already happened, past event, still we can express with the help of simple present. Okay, last but not the least, I'll go for an interesting rule with help of which you can tease others, you can wheeze others, right? Look at me. Earlier days, with the help of greeting, we express the heartfelt feeling. Think that it is phase 1. It is phase 1. Okay. And we go for phase 2 too. Page number 2. It is inside the box. Okay. Page 1, page 2. Smita wants to wish mother. Mama, mother, I am in love. I am in love. तो आगे क्या होगा? मामा विल गेट एग्री विथ ब्रूम. आम आदमी पार्टी में ज्वाइन हो जाएंगे मामा. देखो, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल एनीथिंग नेगेटिव. ओके, आई एम इन लव, इट इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट, राइट? आई एम इन लव विथ यू. मामा, आई एम इन लव विथ यू. थोड़ा वेरिएशन करेंगे. आई एम नॉट इन लव विथ यू, स्टिल इट इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट. मामा, आई एम नॉट इन लव विथ यू. देन विथ whom? नो, आई एम नॉट इन लव विदाउट यू. It is a positive note. Mama, I cannot in love with anybody without you. Happy Mother's Day. So with the help of greeting, you can wish others. You can tease others also. अन्य बात तो tease भी कर पाएगा. Okay, with help of simple present. Well, it is all about simple present. Okay, it's all about simple present. After it, we will discuss present continuous. But let's take, okay, and look again towards the rules. Rule 1, permanent truth. Rule 2, habitual action. Rule 3, conditional. Rule 4, adverbs. This rule we can use while teaching present continuous. Quotations. I like to, request you to go through quotations. Write it down, keep it with you. It will help you in your future. Newspaper headline. Today you have to mark the newspaper, English newspaper. Headline, maximum having simple present. Running commentary, with the help of, simple present, you can go for running commentary. For the planned action, exclamatory sentences, imperative, historical account, and last but not the least, with the help of greeting, you can wish others, tease others in simple present. it's all about. So let's move towards present continuous. Present continuous. Subject plus is, am, are plus verb ing. I am going to deliver only a few rules. Rule number 1. At the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. बोलते वक्त जो चल रहा है that is present continuous. I am teaching English grammar. I am teaching English grammar. You are listening. The fans are moving. The birds are throwing light. Ajit sir is helping us now. Air is blowing. You are writing. So these are simple present. The vehicles are running on the road. Simple present. You are looking at me. Simple present. Simple present. Arre Baba, present continuous. Okay, present continuous. At the time of speaking. जो बोलते वक्त चल रहा है that is present continuous. So I have given few examples. You have to write few more examples of present continuous. Okay. Well, rule number 2. Not necessary at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. चल तो रहा है मगर बोलते वक्त चल नहीं रहा है. चलीच ने तो कहला बेले चलीनी. तो एग्जाम्पल के तरह it related to profession, it related to past time,